Wrapping up our series of unboxings with Maxim integrated evaluation kits, we're onto the MAX77278 EV kit. Again, it's an evaluation kit for some power chips related to wearables and other tiny gadgets. Let's take a look. Cool. As stated on the website, the MAX77278 provides a highly integrated battery charging and power supply solution for low power applications where size and efficiency are critical. Once again, they recommend it for IoT gadgets, as well as remote controls, game pads, media center controllers, smart home automation pads, thermostats, battery powered user interfaces, wearables, and fitness and health monitors. That's a lot of tiny things. How are you going to fit this whole board into it? You don't. That's the chip. It's super tiny and will not add a lot of bulk to any of your teeny tiny little gadgets. So many buttons. Let's take a look at some of the more specific info on the website. The MAX77278 EV kit comes with a smart power selector and a GPIO expander, which is going to be very useful for those of you who are building more complex projects with multiple sensors or actuators. And the board comes with a ton of different connections and built-in switches. Super useful for development. There's an infrared LED as well, plus an onboard thermistor, and of course it comes assembled and fully tested. This one does have that low dropout, giving us ripple rejection for audio and other noise-sensitive applications, and you can use a range of different batteries with battery temperature monitoring built right in. Again, this is super important for wearables, including hearables and more. With up to 8 GPIOs available in a 3x2 by 0.7mm package, this is a tiny powerhouse. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our little tour of these boards. If you're looking for something similar but with slightly different characteristics, be sure to check out the other videos in this series, and we will have more for you soon. See the other evaluation kits in this series, and check out our webinar on all the SIMO chips via the links in the description below.